In the grand scheme of things, where the Chinese are the supreme leaders of everything fast, modern day trains is like a magical flute that has and continues to transform the way we get to places we desire. In Paris, in Tokyo, in Taipei, there are versions of high-speed rail that can and cannot be compared to the ingenuity of the Chinese rail, who I must say has mastered the heart of high-speed rail infrastructure, and its network stretches beyond imagination. A staggering 40,000 kilometers of high-speed rail connecting villages, towns, and megacities is truly phenomenal. It's a phenomenon known as Beyond Borders. You arrive at a place that is vastly different from yours, but it feels familiar. It's believed traveling is the pillar of great epiphany.
Look at that tic-tac, got the Union Jack display outside, that's lovely. Jakarta is transforming, now you've got a bike and cycle lane, do you know? Yeah. Look at that, it's changing, it's evolving, I like it!
But this chapter ain't China, but Indonesia it is. And the Chinese are working on a mega project, an engineering feat the country have never seen. And Indonesia is splashing big. $7.8 billion budget high-speed rail from Jakarta to Bandung, covering a distance of 142 kilometers, in the past was just empty dreams. But today, that dream is nothing but reality. For foreigners in Indonesia with no access to Indonesian banks, paying for things online can be slightly difficult. So you make your way and you do this. To the station, withdraw the exact amount, find an Indomat and pay up what is due.
It costs one entree and 45, okay? So I got the code and all it has to do, just have to input it. So different ways of paying. So they got PayGo, OVO, they got Shopee Pay, they got Sheku. One last visit to Kerata. I feel like I have this burning feeling that I'm saying it wrong all this time, but you know what? Who cares? I'm a bully. I think just one last visit here in this historical part of Jakarta, and then surely there's some things I'll miss, and the beats of drums, and just, you know, it's a cool place, I'll say. And my experience in this Jakarta, and surely it's something to live for, and the memories and the good times and the people I met in this fantastic city, then surely I think the city I'll surely miss.
To fall in love with Indonesia is to visit its vast back alley of hidden culture. Taste its pure but wholly pure traditional cuisine, but be careful not to fall in love too deeply, because this place will charm you in every possible ways.
Hello there.
Ways to love Indonesia and what not to like about Jakarta. Arguably, it's chaotic and tantalizing traffic, but its people are incredibly nice.
Look at us, I'm riding with this lady.
In the district of Kerata we all love, there are pristinely beautiful things literally everywhere. Snap a pic with total strangers in the capital of Smile, then head inside an Indomat to grab a snack for the road.
My name is Sheku. Yeah, you ain't Chelsea. Chelsea. Right, so I'm getting one of that as well. So apparently she says it's very good, so I'm gonna try that one.
On the outside, full of magical scene of very old traditions, the rich and the poor, the good side, the bad side. Then you realize Jakarta is one magical mix.
Thank you, sir.
Yup.
Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you.
Take care. Thank you, Mak.
Yuk, foto-foto di sana.
No, thank you. This guy's so nice and help me out.
Good Samaritan to the rescue. They are many in Indonesia. Arrive at the terminal, waiting for the train to Bandung, a place for all I know, it's unknown. A new chapter in modern day Indonesia that has a long colonial history of foreign exploitation, but I came to explore and capture the side of Indonesia never seen. Coming into focus, then you realize this ain't high-speed rail, but an Indonesian version. One step on board, there is no turning back. Executive seat feels like an airplane. The rhythm and flow and sway of Jakarta is like one big magical drum in my head. In the beginning, it's all blank. My mind was closed to imagine the side of Indonesia I've never seen. Oh, I was unsure what to expect in the archipelago island of Java. Yes, I was slightly hesitant to face the reality of modern day Jakarta. Everyday hustling and bustling, the vast scale of things, the ever so big and luxurious shopping mall, friendly and notoriously friendly locals, delicious and yet aromatic fusion that will blow and explode in your mouth and give you a mouth, oh yeah, a mouth sensation so complex to understand. A place so incredibly different from everything I know. Oh, an outsider like me can and will never understand this place. Even if I try, I will die ignorant. But leaving with a story to tell, an emotional attachment, and I surrender all evil and negative thoughts you or I may have heard about Jakarta. As a foreign explorer, I came not to exploit, but to explore. And while exploring, chances are you may come across a kind soul like ℳ. ℳ, for all I know, is a businessman commuting on this line regularly.
Bandung, okay. Okay, watching Bandung. You know, I like meeting the Indonesian people. I think that's my way of, you know what I mean, like getting close to understanding the culture here. I don't speak Bahasa well, you know, so how do you say good afternoon? See, afternoon nice now. How do you say good afternoon?
Selamat sore.
Selamat sore.
Selamat.
Selamat
Sore.
sore.
Yeah.
Selamat sore. Huh? You know, let me just take on my mask. The reason why I was thinking for now, well, I'll put it back on. But it's the thing is that I really hate wearing face masks. The only time I wear it when I'm coming into the station. But other than that, I don't wear it at all. Now, in the UK, we don't wear it. Only if you feel like, you understand. So, but here, I'm in a foreign place. Is it foreign? I mean, boulet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a boulet, so because I have to behave. I've seen one or two things on YouTube, like when I was in the UK about Bandung. And I was like, I don't know if 5 days will be enough, or is it too much? Do you know, I'm just like, I was like, you know what, I don't care anyway.
There's one thing called lontong kari.
Lontong kari.
Okay, and called surabi. Surabi is like, do you know dorayaki? It's from the pancake, sorry. Pancake made from the coconut milk.
Okay. Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
I like coconut.
Yeah.
Oh man, of course, man. I'm a coconut guy.
Yeah.
Is it a good scenery, like on your way? Is it spectacular?
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's spectacular view from there.
Yeah. You're gonna take the camera. You're gonna record everything there. All right. So that's it. Yeah. So of course, if you're enjoying this, then of course, leave it down below what sort of things that you want me to see in Bandung, right? And I'll try my best like to see that. Maybe by the time I'll release this video, maybe I won't be in Bandung. But anyway, just leave it down there, and then maybe your recommendation will come to, you know what I mean, reality. You never know. So for now, switch up the camera. I don't want to make my guests feel uncomfortable, you understand, yeah? He's a cool guy, but you don't want to push it. You don't want to push it.
And the inside is a marvelous train, aesthetically marvelous, and everyone is peaceful and calm.
The thing about me, both the good and the bad. You know, to give like people the real feel of Indonesia.
You don't have it.
Oh, we don't have it there. Oh, there. Actually, this job is big, man. 3-piece snacks? Yes, please. Right there. Together.
As the train moved, we slowly moved to the cafeteria, knowing we're leaving something special behind.
You have to be careful because like the trains sway from one side. So basically, there we go. Thank you, man.
I'm not a stranger to trains, but this one is particularly vibrant mix of things. Table open up by the window seats offering udon, a traditional herb drink originated from Jakarta.
So refreshing, mate. So many herbs in there, yeah. Oh, kill my depression, mate. So we're getting some food on the train. I wasn't expecting, so we're getting a free stuff as well. So it's freaking hot, yeah. Of course, I'm gonna go slow. So hot, piping hot, mate. And I'm not feeling anything yet, but it's so refreshing. It's not going to be a miracle instantaneously. Of course, it will build up on you, right? So you can't fake the reaction, and that I don't do that. I don't do that. No. But it's actually
You're not in the
no, I can't eat it. No, of course, no. So bitter.
Fun thing is, it's also known as the trash drink. Yeah, the rubbish drink. Due to some part of its ingredients comprises of leaf falling from trees. Yeah, strange, incredibly strange, but incredibly made. Egg tart is a Portuguese creation, and on the train, Indonesians truly love this bad boy.
When you go to Porto or in Lisbon, they have this sort of thing. It's so good. I tried it in Porto. Lovely.
Indonesian train food. Yummy. Mantap.
And then it's just like a meatball. Right. Fantastic. This is not a food video, but I just want to give you a feel of what it looks like. The food looks good. Looks good. I'm a proper chef. I made this. Bakso is one of my favorite dishes. Bakso rendang, beef rendang, and This country is a superpower when it comes to food. You know what I mean? People love to eat. Just look behind me, yeah? People love to eat. They live to eat. That's what he's getting. Lovely. You've got sweet corn, you've got carrots, you've got sweet pepper. Looks cool. That's looks cool, man. That actually looks cool. Wicked. Look at you, you're pro.
Kerata Api Indonesia, aka KAI, Kai, a state-owned railway dating from Dutch colonial days, a long history of phenomenal and groundbreaking things. In 2019, more than 429 passengers were carried by the Kai, and 47.2 million tons of cargoes. Slowly approaching our final destination, pinching into the map on my phone, slowly coming into the final stop.
There we go. So you got a Porto. If people want to help you out.
You see, the Kerata Api Railway plays a significant role in the economy. It's key, it's a vital element. For now, it will stay in service until the new high-speed rail from Jakarta to Bandung come into service. For now, this is not the end of the road, it's just the beginning.
Currently, all this place, basically, in the past it wasn't like this. So before, they have to go through the tracks. And then now, look at it. Much better, much modern. It's like just touched down. Alright, finally here in Bandung, you know, and good feeling, but I think it's actually raining. I think it's a sharp blessing, isn't it? So definitely great experience, of course, and you know, and I think that's the way it should be. You know, I come in a place now where it's not a place where people tend to see a lot of black people, so of course the reaction is going to be quite legendary, but that's not the reason why I came here. I came here to explore and of course to amass my knowledge about different part of Indonesia, but surely like the train system, brilliant, so cheap, so affordable, and yeah, so that's it. If you enjoy this episode, of course, and maybe you'll learn one or two things, then of course if you're new here, subscribe for the good stuff, right? And I'll catch you in the next episode here in Bandung.